Hi there, my name is Sarah Jennings, and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at NextGen Analytics. And recently, we started using TranscribeIQ, and today I wanted to walk you through the workflow that we've been using to extract insights from TranscribeIQ by helping us to sort through all of our customer calls and then get closer to the insights that we need. So, when you get set up, the first thing that you'll notice is you get a custom channel that's dedicated towards the TranscribeIQ team. And as you can see here, this is a custom message that's posted by the TranscribeIQ Slack bot. And this channel, you can basically just think of it as your main repository for any questions or any feedback that you want to provide to the team. So you'll just have a dedicated channel to have an open stream of communication with the TranscribeIQ team. So that's just a good place to start in terms of what the experience is like. But the powerful thing about TranscribeIQ are the insights that you can extract from customer calls. And as a CSM, I actually just got off of a call with one of our main customers, Creative Solutions. And as you can see, TranscribeIQ already was able to process the call and just posted it into one of the custom Slack channels. So, as you can see here, this post provides a detail of the call that I was just on and the type of insights that were provided, which is a customer success call summary. And within the contents of the call, it was able to extract key topics, customer needs and concerns, and then also customer sentiment and feedback. And the powerful thing about this is that you are able to work with the TranscribeIQ team to customize the types of results that you want to get back, just in terms of those insights. And it allows for a pretty customized experience so that you can really hone in on the types of insights that you want to extract from your customer calls. And as a CSM, this is really helpful. And I'll actually just save this for later so I can come back and document this so that I can be better prepared for my next meeting with this customer. But with TranscribeIQ, it's not just limited to call summaries. You can also get actionable insights such as product feedback. So as you can see here, that same call that I was just on was now analyzed to extract any product feedback that was found within the call. So it's calling out value gained, friction points, and then also feature requests, and then any quotes that were related to the feature requests. And this one right here is actually an interesting one, since this has been coming up pretty commonly with some of our other customers. So what I'm going to do right now is tag our product manager and just call out that this type of feature request has come up with another customer and one of our larger customers. Let me just call that out real quick. Because the powerful thing about TranscribeIQ is that by having things processed and posted into one main spot like Slack, you have an open and efficient stream of communication. So, as you can see, Ethan has already saw the post and is writing me back right now. That's great because it seems like based on the ARR impact of this customer, the feedback seems to be pretty valuable, and he's actually going to use it to help push for prioritization of this feature in the upcoming product roadmap meeting. So that's good to know. But one of the powerful things about this product is, again, it's not just limited to call summaries or product feedback. You can also get individualized and personal coaching for whether it's your customer success managers or other individuals within the team. So here I have a custom channel setup where TranscribeIQ processes the calls and provides custom feedback to myself and my manager. So for each section of the call, it's highlighting actionable feedback on what I need to do to improve. So this is really valuable, and it allows not only myself to see what I need to do in terms of potential improvements, but it also allows my manager to see this as well. So it gives us a really constant flow of communication to highlight how I'm improving and what I need to work on further. As you can see, my manager actually already posted within the Slack thread and said, "Nice job on the call today. Let's review some of these action items in our one-on-one tomorrow." So that's good to know. And that just showcases how effective and efficient TranscribeIQ can make your communication and workflow. And the last thing that I wanted to highlight is that TranscribeIQ can also be used to help understand the onboarding process. So, as you can see here, TranscribeIQ just processed one of the new customers that we just signed called Shuko, and it generated a custom onboarding analysis PDF. And so let's just take a look at that real quick. Because what TranscribeIQ is able to do is analyze for a recently signed customer the 4 most relevant calls during the sales process and provide a 4 to 5 page summary of what the customer is all about. So it provides a company overview, the goals and the key business challenges of the customer, and then more importantly, customer expectations. So as you can see here, this is probably one that I should highlight because that seems to be a pretty short turnaround in terms of expected onboarding time. So that might be something to keep in mind right there. But it also provides growth opportunities, highlights key team members, and then identifies customer goals that were mentioned throughout the process. So, as a customer success team, it's really helpful to see this information because it allows us to quickly identify what needs to be done to make this customer successful with our product. And actually, what I'm going to do right now is call this feedback out to my manager because a 3-week turnaround time for onboarding is pretty quick. So let me call that out real quick just to make sure that she's aware of what was said. And again, it makes the communication very streamlined and very efficient, which is great for setting up consistent workflows. And as you can see, she already saw it, and she agreed in terms of there should not be an expectation of this quick of an onboarding timeline, and she's actually going to bring it up with the ELT meeting on Monday. So this makes my life a lot easier. And by quickly analyzing this document that was created by TranscribeIQ, we can very quickly understand what needs to be improved upon and then provide that feedback so that we're allowed to take action to improve our process. So that's a quick overview of what can be done with TranscribeIQ and how we've been able to implement it as a company.